After 24 hours in the air, Elaine lands near the Bwindi Impenetrable Forest and makes her way to the Mahogany Springs Lodge.
This is Kasese. Moses, say hello.
Hello.
Moses is going to be with us the whole week, right?
Yes.
This is going to be wonderful.
Just warm welcome right from the beginning.
How are you?
Good, thank you. Hi there.
Okay, you're most welcome.
Oh, thank you so much.
Welcome to Mahogany Springs.
Thank you very much.
I'm Audrey and
Hi,
you?
Audrey. Hello.
You are most welcome at Mahogany Springs.
Ah, thank you.
I'm Fred.
Fred, nice to meet you, Fred.
Nice meeting you.
With really nice, everyday people. It's a lovely place. It's perfectly located right on the edge of the rainforest. And the views are spectacular. I miss the views. The way they've got it organized too, you've got privacy, you've got a bungalow to yourself, and you've got all kinds of very willing help, but not intrusive and not, they clearly like their jobs, and they've been well chosen.
Despite the relaxing destination, Elaine begins to have problems with her camera. She can't transmit her footage back to her team in Ottawa.
How did I get past that? Again, if you don't know something and it's important, ask somebody. Just keep asking till you find the right help. I was having breakfast one morning trying to get this blasted thing on because, of course, the whole thing wasn't going to work without the GoPro. One of the breakfast guests turned out to be an engineer, and they were there on their honeymoon. He came over and he said, I know nothing about cameras. And I said, well, you know more about it than I do. So what do you think? And he managed to get it on. He showed me how to get it back on. Problem solved. It was like whew, a huge relief, because that would have had an immense impact negatively.
With growing concerns about being able to update her audience, the staff at the lodge move Elaine to a room with better internet signal.
Cyprian, one of the people, one of the staff, came over and asked me, and I said to him, you know, here's the problem. I can't get this working in my bungalow. And he said, you leave that with me. And he came back about 2 hours later, and it seemed like the longest 2 hours when I thought I was going to be left with this problem that I was having. And he said, we have a new bungalow for you. And it was a fabulous bungalow with it was like a little piece of heaven. Well, after all the stress of all of the challenges, I am sitting here engaging in what I tell you need to do, which is good self-care.
With the first leg of her journey done, Elaine settles in and prepares for another day of new challenges.